Sony officially have released their Perfect for PS5 update, but it's not on all their 2021 television. But for now, they've released it for their top end television. The only thing missing for now on the sets they've released this update for is variable refresh rate. Even though the update is the fix is it's already on its way as well. So Sony's Perfect for PS5 update is available now for a couple of their models, and the models goes as this: their Z9J, their A90J, their A80J, their X95J, X90J. They are all getting this particular update. The update model version is the version 6.4284. It's technically on a rollout right now. So one thing that is not at the moment there, or at least absent right now, or except maybe the X85J is variable refresh rate. It's not going to be available until later this year. They'll still sort that out. But the latest update does bring variable refresh rate to their X85J, but no other sets at the moment. The Sony's 2020 TVs received variable refresh rate via an update last month. Now, that's for their 2020 TV models, not for the 2021 TV model. So the 2021 models will have their own set of fix eventually. So we have to wait for that. So what are the new features you're getting with this update, other than maybe not at least for this set lacking variable refresh rate? You will get auto HDR tone mapping. It optimizes the HDR settings during your initial PS5 setup, automatically selecting the best HDR setting for your specific TV. It's mapped to your current TV display specs. It brings out more details in your bright and dark parts of your picture. It just improves your picture quality overall. The next update here for the Perfect for PS5 is auto genre picture mode. It does pretty much the same thing that auto low latency mode does. It allows the TV to automatically detect whether you're watching a movie or playing a game. It switches to corresponding mode. Gaming mode turns off certain image processing to minimize lag to make the screen more responsive, while the standard mode does turn the processing back on to prioritize picture quality. The update is currently rolling out for the models that I've listed: the Z9J, A90J, A80J, X95J, and X90J. It also brings the latest 360 special sound personalizer, so it's gonna be quite nice overall. So do keep your eyes out for that. Other than that, that's the news right now. Do subscribe to the channel. I will see everyone very much next time.